If I have to be honest with you, I've never been much of a meal prep kind of person. I really love to cook, and if you've been following me for a while, you will know this channel used to be a cooking channel. But we've been talking with Morten, we've decided to try and meal prep. I usually like to cook on the day and see what I feel like, because there's some foods that I don't always feel like eating. So I've always been like, no, I prefer to just decide on the day what do I feel like with the ingredients I have. I think that prepping the food and mostly prepping snacks is gonna help me a lot to not eat that unhealthy, because even though I cook a lot and the meals might be nice, every time I'm hungry, I snack in between, and that's not the best because my snacks are not exactly healthy. But we're gonna see how it goes. We woke up on Sunday and we decided on the recipes that we wanted to make, and we made a plan, we made an ingredient list, and we went shopping. Can you get a bag of carrots? Onions? You don't want you freeze them, yeah? Yeah. Let's see. I feel like we have some at home, but... How much did it cost? And we got a lot of things we didn't necessarily need for this week. Oh, that's good. I thought it would be more when I saw the volume. This is the total price we paid for everything you're seeing, but not all of it is going to be used this week. So I marked what we might be using. The actual total of the meal prep for the week is this number. We had things like mozzarella that was discounted, so we got extra to freeze, but we're not gonna use it all. And then we're making a recipe this week that we're gonna make a lot of, so we can freeze it, which is burritos. So even though we bought a lot for it, that's gonna last us a month at least. I'm really curious because I think it's gonna feel really weird to not be able to choose what I wanna eat, in the sense that this is what there is, it's cooked and you have to take it. And of course we're gonna cook things that I know I like, but there's something about not being able to decide that I'm not so happy about. But we're gonna see how it goes. So let's get to it.
You mixed it in here tomorrow?
Like I put oil, and when it was hot, I
Big
toast,
chicken pieces?
yeah, as they were, just to toast them a bit. And then I added the taco seasoning, one stew cup, stock cube, stew cup, a stock cube, and the salsa, the whole pot of salsa, and water.
Okay.
I'm gonna cover it and let it cook for like 15 minutes, and then we'll shred it and add the rice.
Okay.
So I need the cover. We need to shred the chicken. I don't know what's easier. Can we do it straight here, you think?
Yeah.
Then there you go. let's start with the tomato because that's all. Add some Greek yogurt, peppers. That's more than I thought. A bit of onion, yeah.
A bit.
More. Cheese. Okay, now we'll figure out how to mix this. Here you cannot even see it, but
Needs bacon, but nice.
we have added more feta maybe. Oh my god, I hit the phone twice in a row. What the fuck am I looking? I'm thinking banana. Yes, good point.
The overnight oats.
Who would have thought? Enough?
But throw them basically.
So nice. How much do you usually add?
Maybe a little bit more.
Let's try with this and see how it tastes. It's really good, I think. We also made dinner for tonight, but this is the current timer and we're ready to have lunch. Or like, yeah, food.
Spanish lunch.
Yeah.
Time.
Okay, stop it maybe? Or not yet?
No.
I mean, we have things in the oven, so maybe we stop it when we take them out.
Yeah.
There's no way we're gonna eat all of this in a week. I mean, obviously not the burritos, but even this, I'm not sure if we're gonna go through it. This is also gonna get to the freezer, and I'll keep you updated. Yeah, we also have salmon, so I'll keep you updated on how and when and how much we eat. This is yummy. It's quite late at night, but I'm feeling very hungry, so I think I'm gonna snack on some of these egg bites, and probably soon I'll need to make more. I also forgot to show early, but when I finished working I had some of these, and I also had one of the overnight oats before dinner. So yeah, it's going good so far, but I'm gonna snack one or two of these now. This is not exactly aesthetic, but it's what I feel like eating. I have to say, it's only Tuesday, but I'm really liking this whole meal prep situation, mostly because of the snacks. So I think I'm gonna run out of those quite fast, like the egg bites and the overnight oats, because it's just so easy, like so nice. I'm home now, it's quite early, and I'm starving because I have lunch so early at work, and usually I would just snack something and wait for Morten, but instead I'm gonna just have some of the oats and have dinner at a bit more of a decent time. So that's working really nice for me. And then tonight I think I'm gonna eat a burrito. I don't know what Morten's gonna feel like, but I'm feeling burritos tonight. Ooh, I think Morten ate his because there's only one left. I'm not sure if they look appetizing, but they're really, really good. I had never been into overnight oats. Part of it, I think it's because I always or usually prefer salty things over the sweet ones. But I think that this whole like blending them, I think it helps a lot for me. So I'm really enjoying this. I'm surprised. We ran out of food. It is Friday and we're almost out of food. Okay, maybe not completely, but pretty much. It's the end of the week, and I have to say also that we already ate from the meal prep that we made on Sunday when we cooked everything. So I guess we still fulfilled 5 full meals. And today this is what we have left, just a bit of the side veggies. And of course I could just complement it with an omelette or something like that with the eggs that we have left. But I also have some meat that of course was not included in the meal plan, but I still have it and I can cook that. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do that and put the veggies as a side to some meatballs that I'm gonna make. I saw a recipe with some veggies, so I went and got some leeks and some carrots, literally just that actually, and celery. They didn't have it, but Morten's gonna pick that up. So I'm just gonna make a veggie sauce and meatballs, and we're gonna have it on the side of the carrot cauliflower mix. So I think we can say that it's been a successful week with meal prepping. It still felt a bit weird at times because maybe I didn't really feel like eating any of these things, or like, of course, like we only made pretty much 3 dishes, so then you need to repeat some of the food, which to be honest is what we do on a daily basis anyway, because we always cook and then most of the times we have leftovers, so we eat that the day after. But still, like being forced to pick some of those 3 things, I wasn't too big of a fan of. But the kitchen was pretty much clean the whole week, and that was really nice, and I didn't even have to think about it. I've actually been eating breakfast, which I never do. I mean, I've been having 1 egg bite every morning, but that's a step forward. And then I'm also having the overnight oats, which I wasn't sure I would even like or like snack on, but that has been the most useful thing actually, because now I'm home. It's quite early. I still need to make dinner today, and also I wouldn't really want to have dinner this early, so I'm just gonna snack one of the overnight oats, and that's gonna satiate me, and like I'm gonna be fine until dinner time. Also, we did run out of overnight oats really fast. So on Wednesday afternoon, I already made a new batch. I don't think I filmed it, I think I forgot. But yeah, I made a few more to have for the week, and I think there's still 2 or 3 left, so that's pretty good, unless Morten had some today already. But I'm gonna have one of those, and for sure meal prep a lot more of those this week that's coming. I would call it a success, although it's been really weird. And I think I would like to have a bit more even, because I thought that we made so much that we would have plenty at the end of the week, and we actually, yeah, it wasn't that, like, we had to supplement here and there a few of the dishes, but still, I think it was good. So I think I'm gonna leave you now with the clip that I took yesterday morning. We're not sure if it is geese or ducks, but yeah, they were flying over our window and it looked insane. So enjoy that, and see you in the next one.